So here's the package. I've partially opened it. But, look, so it's a nice watering can. It's supposed to be anyway. Okay, it's very plasticky, which I don't mind. How do I get into it? Oh gosh. Oh, they've got... No, we should do that. Okay. It's called an Athens watering can, apparently. I'll pop a link in the description. Okay, so there's some instructions here. Setting up instructions. It's kind of like a bit weird, but okay. So it looks like it actually looks like we just poke it in there, to be honest. I like this. I hope it works good. That's not going to go in there. There's no way that's going to fit in there. I don't know what this... Oh, yeah. Okay, yep. So that has to go like that. So it seems that you pop that in there. Where does this go? I don't think that goes anywhere. I think that's just travel. I wish I knew what this white powder was. I don't know. So you just poke that in there, it seems. That's just the... Wait. Okay. It's easier if you just rest it on there and then tighten it with that. I'm not convinced this is not going to leak, but there, it's cute. We will go and have a look at this in a minute. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Oh. Oh, that sticker was actually covering a little defect. I don't care. I still like it. I don't care. Oof. I like it. It's got a cuteness to it.
Tommy.
Just dropped the mic. I hope it works still. So here she is, and I love it. I think it's a game changer. Good. Do you like it, Meow?
Yes.
Okay. He likes it too. And I think it looks nice as well. Like I can literally just leave a watering can sitting on display in the house, so I can't forget to water. Good morning, everyone. So it's Saturday the 13th, the day before Valentine's Day. Hello! We didn't do too good with our orders for Valentine's Day. I think in Australia it's just not really something that people get too into. There's not a lot at the stores or anything. But this morning, because I had a whole heap of flowers out in the field, Shani! I had a whole heap of flowers out in the field. I just put a post up in our local community group and I just said, hey, we've got these mixed bunches, we can do contactless delivery, let me know. And we've sold like a whole heap of them this morning, which is really good. And we've just entered a 5-day lockdown. There's been a little outbreak in Melbourne, so they're just trying to get on top of that. Even though we're 3.5 hours from Melbourne and we've never had a case here, we're in lockdown too. So this will just be so nice for people just to have a little break. Anyway, there's a lot of noise going on because the kids want to get going for these deliveries and they're playing the piano, etc. I'll just show you what these look like. James, no touching. Hey. He pulled one of these right on top of himself once and then played in the water. Yeah. Anyway, look what we've got. And I like sticking cute little things in them. Maybe it's silly, I don't know. But I like it. So we're going to take these outside now and grab a photo for the thumbnail. And then we might film a little bit of the deliveries. I am running out of battery though, so I'll just let my phone charge a little bit. Okay, we'll be back. We're packed. I'll show you, look. We've got flowers all through the car.
It stinks.
It does stink a bit.
You can't drive while smoking.
I think tansy has a bad smell. Anyway, I'm going to give this to my daughter to hold.
My lovely.
So you can just show a view of... I have to drive out of this away from the house because our Wi-Fi has a hissy fit if we're on the cusp of Wi-Fi and cellular data. So I can't look up my maps while I'm still, so I'm just going to drive down this lane a little bit and park under a tree and figure out the delivery schedule, which I could have done while I sat in the house, but no, didn't do that, did I? Let's park under this coolabah tree. Okay, we're doing it. I need a better system for deliveries, like
We need to.
bug. I need a better system for scheduling deliveries because there must be an app where you can just plug in all the addresses and it gives you the route. Surely. Let me know if you know of one. Okay. Oh, she's sacked. She's not our camera woman anymore.
Yeah.
Well, you couldn't use the mic because we need maps, and you can't have a mic and maps at the same time, it turns out.
In 600 metres, turn right onto
hearing this?
Pierce Lane.
Whoa, the dirt road.
Continue for 1 kilometre.
It's filming.
They had a dog. I don't love it when there's dogs. Most of them are fine, but you just don't know. Because my uncle used to have a dog and it was so friendly until you got out of your car and then it bit you. So you just never know. The place I thought we were going is not where we're going. So lucky I put the map on.
Continue on Osborne's Flat Road for 2 kilometres.
Is it Violet's house? Gonna ride down the ring.
In 600 metres, your destination is on the right.
Crap, did I go past it or is it this?
Your destination will be on the right.
I need to tip that water out. It just went everywhere. Let me just tip it out. You can film this.
This is instead of doing bush ways, bucket ways.
Oh no, that fell out. Okay, this is what we do when we want to get rid of water. Oh. We empty the buckets out the door.
But no, it's not a bush wee, it's a bucket wee.
A bucket wee. And we condense them in. This looks cute. Wow. It looks like
Unicorns.
they sell unicorns there. Nice. Now we're in Yackandandah. This is our nearest.
Turn
small
right
town.
to stay on Bell's Flat Road.
Except I took a wrong turn.
Turn right onto High Street, C532, then turn left onto Wellsford Street.
I think we could even just go straight to get to Welford Street because it's literally right there. KRS.
Turn left onto Wellsford Street.
Song.
Pardon?
We will win this game.
Oh, there's a house being built here.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Where's the Isaac Avenue?
Your destination is on the left.
I hope it is on the left because I don't really want to go up that hill.
We're filming.
One to go. Yay! And look at me, I've got my double chin holder on because you have to wear them in public. Whoa. I love that junkyard. Lockdown is for naps.
No.
It's really just
It's locked down to watch iPads.
You have a nap in lockdown. Lockdown is for winners.
lockdown is for naps.
No, lockdown is for playing No, it's for playing iPad.
Lockdown is for winners.
Look,
I ate a lot of sourdough.
and got fat.
Yeah.
And get fat. And you can
You put a big tummy.
on a fat tummy.
You just speed it up and then go.
Show the main street.
But Shani says it to me.
Mommy mostly says it to me. Mommy started it.
How about yours just both stop? I'm gonna have to pull over in the shade of this cooler bike.
But isn't that?
Right, I'm gonna get the address now. Ta-da!
You probably don't want to read.